What is interior styling? This course is designed to introduce the elements and principles of design that are used to create harmonious and balanced interiors. This course develops one's sense of design and designer's eye. After the course, it comes easily to one's mind that how to apply knowledge of design in creating inspirational designs for residential and commercial environments like home, hospitality, hotels, restaurants, resorts, commercial and retail spaces, events and stage sets, etc. Styling is the practice of creating a beautiful room/studios or a set to meet a brief/requirements for a particular space. The developed aesthetics can also be used for a large-scale photo shoot, product photography in a production house. The skills learned are applicable for product styling, set styling, photography styling, or interior styling. This course covers the latest in local and international design trends, practical case studies with lots of takeout ideas and expert styling tips, tricks and advice. The course encompasses the workings of the design industry, ensuring that you have the practical skills to work as a successful interior stylist who can add life to any space. At Laureate Design School, students are updated with global market trends and extensive material knowledge. The curriculum also encourages students to access and nurture their own natural sense of flair and creativity. Interior styling is a stimulating and rewarding profession. You'll also get guidance on managing your interior design business in a professional way at LaureateDesignLab School of Design, Art, Architecture, Planning, Consulting and Research. What it does: identify and explain styling to specific industry, apply elements and principles of design to a specified space, communicate design concepts and choices in both visual and written formats, demonstrate a styling concept in response to a specific brief, how to consider spatial planning, furniture, finishes, materials and accessories. It challenges your creativity, ingenuity, practicality and inspiration, creates pleasing aesthetics, functional design, sustainability. It fulfills your client's functional and personal design requirements. It teaches you health-enhancing styling, what to take into account when choosing design features, how to working with practical building features and utilities, how to use a space and flow chart to plan your project, balancing space and function with style, choosing harmonizing/contrasting or feature materials for floors and walls, blending lighting with your overall design concept. Using a color wheel to choose winning color combinations, choosing fabrics, textures, and patterns that please clients' senses. On completion. After completing this course, you can open your own interior design business. You can do corporate office planning, hotels, home staging. In today's real estate market, the proper staging of a home can decide if a place sells sooner rather than later. Restaurants: it's more than just the food. A restaurant requires a great setting and ambience to be successful. Residential design. Course highlights: Introduction to styling and elements and principles of design, elements and principles in styling, composition and vignettes, developing mood, creating ambience and seasonal style, how to create mood boards, materials, soft materials and hard materials, window and wall treatments, spatial planning, interior styling and room layouts, reading plans, planning for key rooms in the house, furniture and accessories, furniture selection, accessories and artwork, lighting design, styling and practice. Trends in styling, design conceptualization, concept analysis plus how to develop a concept, final home beautiful project, define your tasks, interfacing with other disciplines, design concept, finding inspiration, working with the team, payment strategies, project management tips, design evaluation, colors, accessories, and their significance, spatial relationships and proportion, scale and balance, texture, patterns, and fabrics, line and form, the user's experience, sight, sound, smell, taste, and touch, specific design elements, choosing a suitable color scheme, choosing flooring and wall decor, choosing and placing furniture, choosing window dressings, choosing and placing lighting, choosing accessories and soft furnishings, room design, living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, kids' room, popular interior styles, minimalist, contemporary, classic, shabby chic, retro, New York style, Parisian style, Mediterranean, Scandinavian, New England, sustainable design, design and the environment, responsible sourcing of raw materials, presenting your ideas, computer-aided design, mood boards, managing interior design business, maintaining professional relationships, charging fees, preparing a portfolio, marketing your business, low-cost marketing techniques, setting up a website, blogging and social media and free PR.